All right. So, hello, YuHacks 2021. My name is Ben Carlson, and I will be presenting on behalf of Mark Sanchez and myself today. I would like to provide you with a small demo and backstory of our application called Deadline Buddy. So, Deadline Buddy was born during the whole idea for Deadline Buddy was born during the pandemic because I myself found developing solid time management habits and adjusting to online school both overwhelming and difficult at first. And while I was developing these skills, I saw my fair share of calendar and to-do list applications. However, I kind of felt like there wasn't really a solution that fit my needs perfectly because what I was looking for was having the long-term planning capabilities of a calendar where I set in events and have reminders right before the event, as well as having the ease of adding and removing tasks with the click of a button, just like the to-do list. However, with a calendar, you can see those tasks like months, weeks, years in advance, but they only really ping you with a notification of when they're actually happening once, and they ping you with that notification like 30 minutes, an hour, whatever you set it to, normally a couple hours in advance. Whereas with a to-do list, typically your tasks aren't time-stamped, so you just sort of have them there, and all long-term planning goes out the window with those. So our project is a hybrid of a to-do list and a calendar application. So first, with ours, we will start by creating a new task. So I will put in a name for it. I'm just going to put in submit project. I'm going to put in a simple description. Hand in to dev post. Type of task. I'm going to call this submission. And then the importance, I'm just going to give it a number at 100. You could put anywhere between 0 and like the largest number that JavaScript allows. It's just about how important you think it is. I'm just going to do 100 because it seems like a pretty fair number by my standards. I'm going to pick a date. I'm just going to pick February 14th at noon when it's due. Click submit. And our task will be created. So we will go back to the home page now. And if we go here, we can see our task, hand in project, its importance, its due date and time, and a small description of it. While we're on this main page, you can also see that we can sort by how important tasks are, so most important, least important. We can sort by type alphabetically, so that's just by the name right here, so it'll have assignment, then deadline, and then so on and so forth. We can also do upcoming tasks, so which one has the soonest due date, and then which one has the furthest away date. While we're here, the really great part about this application is that we can mark tasks as done just with the click of a button, just like so. And then right there, we can't change it anymore. It's been marked as done. We also have delete functionality, which means that you can delete them from the list of all the tasks you have once you're done with them, just like so. Switching gears, we're going to go over to the monthly overview section, which is the long-term planning view of our to-do list. So this takes all of our tasks and spits them onto a calendar for you so you can see when everything's due, at what time, and everything. So you can see anywhere from January last month all the way down to December of this year. If you look in December, I marked one in here that says commit to Git on December 22nd. Hopefully I don't forget that. I doubt I will. And if we go back to February, you can see our hand in project task right here. Now, what are we going to be handing in here? I'm not sure. I might just have to find out. We're going to go back to, actually, we're not going to change gears and go back there. Coming soon, we will have individual users with individual tasks. So there's a user login portal right here, as well as a registration portal. If we head back to the main menu, I'm just going to talk briefly about our tech stack for this program. We used React and Material UI for the front end, amongst a couple other small node packages just to make things look pretty. We used Express for the back end, MongoDB for the database, and then Heroku and domain.com to host our application. I would just like to thank everybody for their time today, and the YuHacks team for hosting these hackathons. I have enjoyed every single one of them I have participated in thus far, this being my second, and I look forward to participating in more in the future. Thank you for your time.